Hey guys, today we are going to talk about one of the simpler formulas in Excel, row and column. This is a formula that's not used by itself at all, really, but it is used a lot in other formulas to kind of show position of things, and it's a simple way to um, use the same formula and being able to drag it down and across and give you the relative position based on where you're at. So it's pretty simple. The row formula is just a row, and then you can select a cell. So in this situation, we'll select our cell there, and it will give us the row that it is in. Now you can see that the important thing to note is you can select any cell and it will tell you the row that it is in. It doesn't have to be the cell that you are typing the formula. If you want to go down to D3, it'll give you 3. So essentially what it's going to be doing is it's going to be giving you the row, so the number within your cell reference. So wherever you do this, 102, it's going to give you that number. Column is the exact same way, except instead of doing the row, it does the column. So you can see we were in the fifth column here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it is going to do that. So very similar to row, it just instead of giving you the number of the row, it gives you the number of the column, which is a bit more helpful because you don't always, it's not always quick and easy to figure out what letter we're at, especially when we get into the double letters and so forth. So hopefully that helps you guys out and let you be able to build some more robust formulas. And if you have any questions, feel free to throw them in the comments below, and have a good one.